Hello and welcome to Be Informed. You are watching Best Trading Apps in Qatar. This video will help you find the best trading apps for investment in US stock markets and help you buy shares of huge multinational companies like Amazon, Tesla, Facebook and Alibaba. Factors considered for choosing best trading apps are the fees charged by the online brokers, how safe it is to use their platforms, how easy it is for beginners, and what deposit and withdrawal options online brokers have. There is also a review on how to open an account because some online brokers have a minimum deposit which is required to submit before you can start investing, while others don't have a minimum first-time deposit. It is also important to consider which stock markets are accessible through the trading apps or the trading platforms. For example, if you want to invest in Japanese stocks or trade Bitcoin, they are not available at every broker. Here are few brokers that offer a wide range of products so that you can trade many different types of assets with safety and ease. This video shall be very informative for you if you are interested in investment and trading. Also consider subscribing if you want to watch more such videos. Let's start it. Top 5 picks for best trading apps in Qatar are Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is the best international online broker in Qatar or anywhere in the world. Interactive Broker is one of the biggest US-based discount brokers and was founded in 1977. It is regulated by UK's Financial Conduct Authority (FCA) and the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). These are global financial regulating authorities. This broker is a good choice for traders who want easy access to multiple markets and a secure trading environment. Saxo Bank takes second place. It's a Danish investment bank. It was founded in 1992. It is regulated by global financial authorities and have a long track record and a banking background. This makes this trading platform very safe. It is recommended for investors and traders looking for great trading platform and solid research as they offer wide range of products. At number 3 is XTB. XTB is a global CFD broker with headquarters in London and Warsaw, and it was founded in 2002. It is regulated by global financial authorities. It's listed on stock exchange and publishes its financial statements transparently. It means it's a safe trading account. It is recommended for Forex and CFD traders looking for low fees and great deposit and withdrawal services. Here I would like to give you a disclaimer that CFDs are complex instruments and they involve high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. If you want to know more about CFDs, I have already made a detailed video on CFDs. You can find the link in description and also in I button. At number 4 is eToro. eToro is a well-known Israeli fintech company and a social trading broker. Established in 2007, social trading broker means you can copy other investors' trades. eToro is not listed on any stock exchange and does not disclose its annual reports on its website and does not have a bank parent. Since it's regulated by global financial authorities, it's safe to trade through eToro. eToro is recommended for traders interested in social trading and zero commission stock trading. At number 5 is Capital.com. Capital.com is a global CFD broker founded in 2016. It is not recommended for beginners, but investors and CFD traders who are looking for great trading platform can use it, and they provide excellent customer service. Now let's talk about fees charged by these best online trading platforms. Fee can be very important factor when deciding a trading platform. It is possible for the commissions charged by one online broker to the 50 times higher than those charged by another for the same stock trade. Brokers charge fees like financing rates, commissions, and non-trading fees like fee for inactivity or withdrawals. Interactive Brokers has low trading and non-trading fees. Interactive Brokers Global Trader charge zero commission for US customers when trading US stocks and $0.0035 per share for non-US customers. There is no inactivity or account fee. If we talk about Saxo Bank's fee, trading and non-trading fees are about average, but the fees for different types of assets are very different. They charge low forex fee, low fund fee and no withdrawal fee. XTB forex fee are low. In many cases, there's no withdrawal fee, and some clients are eligible for free stock and ETF trading, but they charge inactivity fee. eToro offers free stock and ETF trading, and CFD fees are low. On the negative side, non-trading fees are high, including a $5 withdrawal fee. Capital.com Forex CFD fees are low, and some clients can trade real stocks for free, but stock index CFD fees are high. As a plus, there is no inactivity or withdrawal fees. Mobile trading platform. Your level of comfort while trading can be greatly improved by using a trading platform that is both user-friendly and well-equipped. The Interactive Brokers mobile trading platform has a lot of functions and a useful chatbot, but its user interface could be a little more better. They have two-step verification, which is a very good plus point. If you talk about Saxo Bank, they offer a user-friendly mobile app which has the same look and very similar functionalities as the web platform. They have two-step verification process. The XTB mobile trading app has a good search function and a modern design, and they also give price alerts. On the other hand, there is no two-step verification. eToro's mobile platform is well designed and easy to use, but it doesn't have biometric authentication, no Face ID or Touch ID login. Capital.com's mobile trading platform is user-friendly and has a modern design. They provide two-step verification as well as price alerts. Deposit and withdrawals. At some online brokers, funding and withdrawing funds can take much longer and be much more expensive than at others. Interactive Brokers offer several accounts-based currencies and one free withdrawal per month. $100 is the minimum deposit required to start trading. The main drawback is that you can only use bank transfer. Credit and debit cards are not available. The minimum deposit at Saxo Bank is $2,000, which is very high, but they provide multiple deposit and withdrawal option free of charge on a user-friendly interface. Electronic wallets are not available at Saxo Bank. XTB deposit and withdrawals are fast, mostly free, and they can be done via several channels. They provide e-wallet services. Minimum deposit at eToro is $200. Depositing money is easy with lots of available options, although there is $5 withdrawal fee, which is a drawback. As only USD accounts are available in eToro, you may have to pay a high conversion fee if you deposit or withdraw in another currency, like Euro. Capital.com. Minimum deposit is $20. Deposit and withdrawals are free and e-wallets are provided, including Apple Pay or PayPal. However, only 4 major currencies are available. Credit and debit cards are available, whereas deposit and withdrawals in smaller currencies isn't available. If we talk about account opening process, some online brokers require a minimum deposit to start investing, while others don't ask for a fixed first-time deposit. Check these requirements before opening an account. Interactive Broker has complicated account opening process. Saxo Bank seems to have a delay in sending you a crucial URL to start your account opening. XTB has easy and fast account opening. eToro has seamless account opening, minimum deposit required to activate your account. After uploading your documents, a deposit is also needed to be available to trade, and it would be based on your residency, ranging from $10 to $10,000. Capital.com provides great account opening experience. So this was my review on all the top 5 trading apps in Qatar in 2022. These trading apps can be used from Qatar as well as from anywhere in the world. If this video was helpful for you, press thumbs up and share it with your friends who are interested in investment and trading. See you in another video. Take care.